guys, I'm WaterC2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another Abus 5550 padlock. Again, another from work without a working key. I think there've been sort of faults with this with the key in it, and they decided to make it redundant because the shackle does not come out. I found it in sort of a dump box in one of our rooms and decided to give it a new home. I picked one of these a couple of weeks ago, and it's this one. Again, there was no working key with this. I think again with a fault, because once I picked this one open, the whole shackle comes out and there's a lot of rust in there, but still picked open rather nice. So I'll go getting this open. I'm going to start at the back, work to the front, light tension, and you get little drops each time you're picking along. Sometimes I've found once I get to sort of pin one, it drops over a bit more. I think now and again, if the tension wrench is touching the first pin, you can have issues. Let's see how we get on. So to the back, it's dropped over a little bit there. So I'm just using very light tension on this. Bits of counter rotation in it. It's dropped over even more there. It's picked open. Well, as you can see, the plug is sort of turned. Going to lose that, the tension wrench slipped, but it's still picked. Got to push on the shackle to draw it out. So that's another Abus 5550 padlock, single pin picked. So if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. As I've said before, forum is free to join. Fantastic competitions which are also free to enter, and you can win padlocks, Euro cylinders, picks, tension wrenches, you name it, you can win it. And as I say, competitions are free to join. We also have our own store, which is specialkeys.co.uk, and we sell all sorts of bits and pieces for the sort of pro picker, hobbyist, sporter picker, etc. Our specialty at Special Keys is our range of fantastic bump keys at fantastic prices. So visit the store. You will get some absolute bargains on the best bump keys going, guys, you really will. So thanks for watching, happy picking, and again, please keep it legal.